Good morning. We'll look at the COT data for the week beginning the 19th of December. Remember, this is from Tuesday, so it's a little bit old, the data, but that's all we can do. We can just look at what they've given us. So this is the banks and institutions analysis and their positioning over time. So they have bought the Euro FX and they have bought the dollar, but ever so slightly, less than 1,000 contracts, and sideways for the Euro FX. And we're probably going to be a little bit sideways for this COT data video that comes out Friday as well. Yeah, we probably are going to get that, aren't we? Yeah, we probably will get the COT data release. We've got Christmas Eve on 24th, so Saturday. So we'll probably will be getting the COT data on Friday. So we can do a look at that analysis next week here. But next week will be quite quiet for me from a quasi-DB perspective, just because of the low volumes. Gold, always interesting. Let's look at gold. Yeah, so it ticked up. I was saying that we had a break of that trend line, and it looks like we did. And so that's that. Okay, so it's a little bit sideways on dollar, up on gold. All right, let's look at yen. What did they do? Yen, they bought yen. Okay, so that is of note. Big surge actually, minus 53, minus 65. So if they continue to do that, it's going to take about 5 weeks, and then we could be over zero. But you know how things are, they have to zigzag. It won't go in a straight line, it will zigzag. So that's the BOJ intervention and here. Okay, and let's look at pound. We'll keep the yen on. Pound up. We went from minus 36 to minus 25. So that's fairly bullish. We'd want it above zero ideally. Aussie. They bought Aussie from minus 44 to minus 37. And we'll look at Kiwi. Sideways. It has decreased, but just within this range we have been for ages. So a little decrease there, and then we'll look at take them off, and we'll look at the Swiss franc. And likewise, we're a bit like Kiwi in so much that we're range bound. Nice short video. Next week we'll be quiet. We'll try and do a COT data video for next week, but it will be business as usual, but onto a lesser degree. We'll still be doing the bulletins, but how much trade stuff I'll be doing personally, we'll have to wait and see. It'll probably be at a very minimal perspective, I think. So there's a COT data video. That's it. So hopefully it helps, and I'll speak to you guys soon.